Okay, y'all, part 2. I'm playing this game again. We're gonna chase the cars. There's only one car left, but I don't know where it is. So, yeah. I bought a new car, but I mean truck. I can't equip it. I don't even want to leave anymore. Because I'm not lagging. Oh, shit. Hey. Oh, bro, you did not. Come on. No. Oh, yes. Look. Bro, I'm stuck. I'm just hanging in here. Bro! I'm stuck. Okay, I gotta respawn. Okay, just respawned. I thought it costed Robux to like buy new trucks. You know? Um. I want the last one. The 6. 2. It's duped. It's a duplicate. Bro. Yo, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in here. Wait, they're just the same speed. Oh my god. I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm finally here. And with a truck. Why with a truck? I don't want a truck. Skip with me. Ay! Okay. Asa man tani? Uy! Si Miss Leg lupad-lupad. Kuto ganing usa oh. I don't want to play this game anymore. I'm too bored. Oh. Yo, what's up? What the fuck? I hate that thing. Bro, you just got juked. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video. Guess why not? So bye.